Hello and welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and thank you so much for tuning in once again as we talk my favorite topic, insurance. Question that is always posed: how are car insurance premiums calculated? Now, I did a very long video regarding this a long time ago. So I thought, let me do a shorter video so you can just fully grasp the initial things that are looked at when calculating your vehicle premium. First thing that they look for when calculating vehicle premium is the value of the vehicle. Because my Skodonk from 1993 and your Ferrari from 2025 are not going to have the same premium, because obviously your car is much higher than mine, and so the sum insured, the value of the car, is just a bit larger, that the premium will then obviously be larger. This also in relation is that, you're driving maybe a Polo, nothing against Polo players, but a Polo as opposed to, let's say, a BMW X5. The premium for the two, based on the value of the car, is going to have a difference, right? Then the second thing that they look at is the regular driver. The regular driver, how old is the regular driver? How long have they had their driving license for? Have they had any previous incidents in the past 3 years? Those things sort of start telling us, okay, this person is a good driver or a bad driver. And that determines a lot of the premium, because now you can start seeing that even maybe though it's a Polo, but because the regular driver is young, license was gotten or received yesterday, and they've had 3 incidents already from yesterday, that premium is going to be higher. Now this person with the X5, they've had their driver's license for over 40 years, never had an incident, etc., etc. The premium now starts to stabilize. Now you see premiums sort of looking the same, even though the values are slightly different. The third thing that they look at when calculating the insurance premium for your car is the parking of the car. Where is the car parked during the day? Where is it parked during the night? Is it parked behind a locked garage, locked gate, security estate with booms and a guard that stands by the gate? So those kind of things also play a role, because if I park my car on the side of the road and you park your car in a locked garage, that will give us different premiums, because the car that's out on the road has got more of a risk. A car that's behind a locked gate slightly got a more of a risk than a car that's in a garage, purely because thieves can see your car that's parked outside, whereas my car in the garage, no one can see it, so it doesn't pose a risk as opposed to the car that's parked outside. Fourth thing that they also look at when calculating your car insurance premium is, what do you use the car for? Most of us human beings use the car for private use, going to work and back, and that's about it, and then to visit our friends and our family on weekends. But there are some times where people use it for business use, where maybe they are sales consultants, they sell Tupperware, they're photographers. There's a lot of things that people use their cars for, where they're always busy on the road, and therefore that will attach a different premium to a person who just uses it for regular, going to work and back, visiting friends and family. The last thing that may play a role in terms of your car insurance premium is your ICT score, your rating, where it shows how well you pay your accounts, whether you've defaulted on your Foschini, your Insurers, etc. So when they ask that question of, can we speak to other financial institutions, blah, 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 to share information, and you say yes, that automatically hits to verify your ICT rating. And the ICT rating tells us if you're a good payer or not a good payer. A good payer will get better premiums based on the fact that we trust that they're going to pay their premiums monthly, where the one that defaults, etc., we might have problems with it, which just poses a slightly higher risk. So these are really the 5 things that I can say off the top of my head that they look for when it comes to calculating your car insurance premium. Now, this is not everything, and I've done a longer video that really goes into detail of every little thing that they look at. But in short, this is what they look at. So when you answer those questions, also please answer them honestly, because we want to make sure your claim is paid at the end of the day. But if you ever wondered why your insurance premium is not the same as Ayanda's or somebody else's, because there's just differences in the risk and the risk profile of the two individuals. So I do hope that this video helped. If you do have any more questions about the topic, please feel free to comment below. And if you like this video, then click like. And if you think Ayanda is amazing, subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my videos. But I do hope I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.